Good day to all prospective employer in Hong Kong. My name is Ria M. Pagote, 25 years old, single mother of two beautiful daughters. My firstborn is 7 years old and my secondborn is 4 years old. I am Roman Catholic. I live in Paquil, Laguna, Philippines. I am senior high school graduated. I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years and 1 month. I serve 6 persons in home, 2 adults and 4 children. My responsibilities are taking care of children, cooking, washing dishes, cleaning inside home, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of cat. I am hardworking, kind, polite, respectful, honest, responsible, and friendly person. To all prospective employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities and I follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.